Sanibonani guys, igama ngiqobile niphathela mazibela eyinimba ngomhla ka-21 May. Hayi-ke guys, uZoleka-ke ugcine ehambile-ke eSouth Africa wayale phesheya kuyilwandle, kanti-ke ushiye uLazarus-ke nesizungu esikhulu kakhulu. Kuthe kusanjalo-ke guys, kwaphinde kwafika-ke u-Azande ngoba phela namhlanje usuku olukhulu, uzobe eqala ngqa ukuhlala kulesa sihlalo esikhulu sokuba yi-CEO akade ayesilangazelela. Uthe nje, hey, Lazarus, today is the big day for me. Can we just catch up a bit about my position and everything? Umane wathi nje uLazarus, there's nothing to catch up though. Wathi no, phela sengisho ngoba phela manje sekuyimina umphathi. Wathi no. Correction. Awusiyena umphathi. Uyibamba. Hayi, waphoxeka kanjalo-ke kubhuti. Kodwa-ke wamane wagwinya-ke i-disappointment wenza sengathi everything is okay. Usho kahle uLazarus ukuthi lalela, bengicela bandla ukuthi uye e-ofisini uhambe uyo-check-isha i-contract yakho ebese-ke uyabhala phansi ukuthi uyayisayina-ke. Okwamanje ngicela bandla ungi-excuse kunama-meetings amaningi kabi namhlanje. Wahamba uLazarus waya emsebenzini kanye naye u-Azande. Azande-ke guys uthe efika emsebenzini, bhuti akanyanyanga kanje. Shuthi-ke i-contract yakhe ayisiyona ngale ndlela becabanga ngayo. I-contract yakhe inemigomo nemibandela eminingi angayijabuleli neze. Ufike endiza kuLazarus, what is this? What is this? What are you talking about? Wathi, look at this contract. Clause number 4.2. It says here that ayikho i-decision naneyodwa-ke engizoke ngiyenze ingavaze ngize ngicele omunye umuntu wesibili ozokwazi ukuthi avumelane nami. What the hell is this? Shuthi kahle kahle mina angakabi i-CEO. Mekuthi kuzomele ngiphinde ngilindele omunye umuntu ozophinda futhi angilekelele kuma-decisions engiwenzayo. Wathi uLazarus, lalela, this is the contract yonke ama-interims afikayo as i-CEO. Akusiyona i-contract esiyi-drafte manje, vele i-interim ilandela le migomo nemibandela. Wathi yeyi, angeke nje kuze kwenzeke kanjalo. Obheke nayenye futhi i-clause lena-ke ithi angikwazi nanokuthi ngilethe i-client lana ngingavaze ngikhulume nawe. Wathi exactly, angithi ukuba yibamba kuba njalo. Phela wena you are not a CEO, you are an interim CEO. Guys, wazama ukuphula leli khadi lakhe eli-famous lokuthi I'm going to tell everyone that uQhawe pushed me from the balcony. Athi lalela, use that card. It doesn't matter. Okusalayo, i-contract will still stand. Ithi wena njengebamba kumele uhlezi ungaphansi komuntu, hhayi ukuthi uzimele. Wanyanya guys uLazarus, wanyanya esibona ukuthi lesi sihlalo lesi asikhazimuli ngale ndlela bekacabanga ukuthi sikhazimula ngayo. Guys, akupheli-ke lapho. Uhambile-ke ubhuti wayohlala e-ofisini likaZoleka esihlalweni sakhe esikhulukazi. Lazarus, Onga kanye-ke noPortia bebekade bezobamba umhlangano kuleli ofisi leli. Bathe mebengena, hayibo, nayi ingwenya ihleli inethezekile esihlalweni sikaZoleka. Umane wathi Lazarus, no, wait. What are you doing here? Athi, I'm a CEO. Kodwa bakithi yazi u-Azande uyingane guys, ila ngibone khona ukuthi ayi uyingane. Like it doesn't matter again ukuthi okay laphaya lesa sihlalo kune-responsibility kumele azosebenza. Yena into emjabulisayo ukuthi he is sitting on the chair. That's what makes me happy, not ukuthi as i-CEO what exactly are you supposed to be doing. Iziphi izinto-ke okumele uzilethe as umphathi phela-ke phezu kwetafula. No. As long as ehleli kubonakala ukuthi okay, he is the CEO. That's what matters to him. The chair, not the work that comes with the chair. But anyway, phelike lapho usho kahle uLazarus uthi no, you are not allowed to sit on this chair. This chair belongs to my wife. And when you are just holding the door for her, ukuthi mase sebuya-ke athathe indawo yakhe. Wathi-ke ngisacela ungiphumele kuleli office. Wathi no, I'm a CEO. Wathi no, you are an interim CEO. How much does he need to be reminded ngampela-ke ukuthi yena uyibamba akasiyona i-CEO ngokuphelele? Kodwa-ke ubhuti-ke ngathi leyo akakahlali kahle engqondweni yakhe, isezothatha isikhathi ukuthi-ke yetshiseke. But anyway, umtshele kahle uLazarus ukuthi-ke unalo i-ofisi lakho waliphuca u-Onga, khumbula? Nawe-ke kuzomele uwenze sure ukuthi lelo ofisi walisebenzisa ngoba waliphuca u-Onga. Lapho kusho lokho u-Onga naye ula. Waqede wathi okay, asambeni guys siyosebenzela kwenye indawo ngathi la kune-chaos. Baphuma-ke. Uthe sephumile-ke uLazarus benoPortia, u-Onga wathi ukuhlala kancane ezama ukurabha usawoti esilondeni-ke sakhe u-Azande ukuthi see what goes around comes back around. Ungikhiphe ofisini manje nawe sebeyakukhipha kwi-ofisi elingakufanele. But anyway, u-Azande ukubone konke lokho-ke ubhuti wanyanya kodwa wayihlekisa ubala. Hhayi-ke u-Onga-ke bekade brega ngokuthi ayi ngaze ngajabula namhlanje, yazi Lazarus made my day. Kumnandi ukuthi umuntu ekuzwisa ubuhlungu bese nawe uyamuzwa ebuza lobo buhlungu lobo obufanayo. Kanti u-Azande is planning something. Sesuka lapho u-Azande ukuze phela i-ego yakhe ingabi bruised, wahamba phambi kwestaff sonke wayotshela-ke u-Onga ukuthi ucela amenzele umsebenzi. Okumsebenzi kaqhawe guys. Wathi awenziwe u-Onga. U-Onga is a CIO and akumelanga enze imisebenzi nje emncanyana yabo lapha kuleya nkampani, kodwa uthe lalela mina ngiyi-interim CEO and instructor ukuthi do this job for me. Wathi uqhawe uyastepha in it, but that's my job, I can do it for you. Wathi no. Njenge-interim CEO ngicele u-Onga, hhayi wena. So Onga, follow the instruction bhuti. Wabe phuma inyathela, yabo ngalokhu nyathela lokho kunokuyiqhenya phakathi, okunokuyikhokhumeza ukuze phela u-Onga abone ukuthi lalela, yakona ngiphoxekile ngesikhathi uLazarus engikhipha kulela office, but it doesn't change the fact that I'm bigger than you, so do as I am telling you. Guys, Onga-ke wadinwa-ke sibona ukuthi lo muntu lo usaqhubeka nokumchukuluza ngale ndlela le. But anyway, asithembe ukuthi-ke kulela ofisi kusazoba khona ukuthula, ngoba njengoba u-Azande ehlelele lesahlalo guys, ngathi chaos isiqalile today and isazoqhubeka ngempela isikhathi eside. Akupheli-ke lapho le komabandla nakhona kumabheketwana, kusho ukuthi unesi-ke uNtsiki bekade-ke eseyitholile i-report enama-results kazethu, kodwa-ke kunqatshelekile ukuthi ayivule ngoba phela hey, patient confidentiality umthetho lo uqine kabi. Umtshelile udokotela ukuthi wena why interested kangaka kule file yale patient, uyayazi yini? Waqamba amanga wathi angiyazi le patient. Wathi-ke uyayikhumbula-ke i-rule patient confidentiality, cela uzame bandla ukuyilandela sisi. Udokotela wayithatha ifayili waphuma. Shuthi-ke ubekade nako enhlizweni yakhe uNtsiki ukuthi no, uzethu pregnant and le ngane le kungenzeka ukuthi likamva or eyakho Xolani, cause uyababona ukuthi labantu laba hayi bayathandana impala. Le ofisini kuzethu namhlanje bekade ugele ephinika kuphela, engazi noma liyaphuma noma liyashona. Kwale ngisho uSydney esemtshela ukuthi after econfessile like wenza i-statement ngokuthi indodana yakhe uSydney ivalelwe kakhulu ejele, ingakhishwa ngokushesha yabo. Phambi kwakhe uSydney, phambi kwakhe uma wakhe uLwandle washo ukuthi makalahlelwe ejele nje, uLwandle ukhiye ulahlwe straight. Wase wathi-ke uma kaLwandle le mntwana kumele axoshwe laphaya eZondo Technologies because ufakaza kanjani ngomntwana wabo kodwa beqashwe khona. So uSydney ufikile kwazomtshela ukuthi be assured, ngeke nje ulahlekelwe umsebenzi wakho, you are still part of the family. But ugeli still hayi bengekho happy because kunale ndaba le emdlayo ngaphakathi ukuthi kungenzeka ubukhulelwe. Fikile-ke guys i-phone call yasho ukuthi ama-results aphumile and ama-results bezovela efonini. Ugeli uyagijima uyotshela-ke uma wethu ukuthi lalela kune-message ezofika la, bengicela siyifunde ndawonye cause angazi ukuthi ngizoyihandlisha kanjani ngedwa. Hayi uma wethu-ke angenelele, uma wethu bafunde-ke okay, HIV test became negative, alright, zinc deficiency, okay, that was already known. Then mase kuzoba khona le part ye-pregnancy guys, hayi ama-results-ke aphuma e-positive ngempela, ugeli ukhulelwe. Hayi ugeli umane watatazela kakhulu-ke, wabuza uma wethu ukuthi hayibo le ngane le kaXolani uzethu ambuka kambi. Wathi no, bengaqondile ukukujaja, ezama phela ukusho ukuthi hayi lalela lo muntu le sisaxoxa naye, sikakabi nje intimate at all. Kodwa-ke ugeli uthe she can't do this, waphuma ngomnyango wahamba. Shuma wethu-ke engazi ukuthi what is it that she can't do, like i-pregnancy, ufuna ukukhipha isisu or mhlampe ufuna ukuba yedwa athi ukucabangisisa kahle. But uma wethu siyayazi le ndaba and uyamtshela uma wethu don't tell anybody else. But uma wethu-ke akavazi impela, yabo agwinyitshe ubhuti lokufihla izimfihlo, ngathi wakhahlelwa yihashe esifubeni. Ngisho naye ufakazi ngabe uLwandle wazama ukuyifihla le ndaba ukuthi-ke walimaza ulikamva, kodwa wayelokhu embelesele njalo uma wethu ethi khuluma iqiniso ndoda, khuluma iqiniso ndoda, ngoba uma wethu iqiniso yalithanda. Before we know it, le ndaba izobe isiphumile and izobe isisaphazeke yonke indawo ukuthi uZethu is pregnant and kuzomele kucace ukuthi ngampela le ngane le ekalinkamba yini noma cha. Mekuthi la linkamba guys, ngine-sure uzoyamukelwa uThumeka cause izomkhumbuza phela indodana yakhe. Yila esizomthanda khona ngampela kuZethu-ke manje uThumeka, ngoba phela kusho ukuthi usezomlethela ulikamvu omusha emhlabeni. Guys, kaziyozala nkomoni. Aphela lapha masivela namhlanje, ngakhohlwa ukusubscribe and like.